Alright guys, welcome back. I'm a little bit disappointed because I thought it was a 4x4, but it's a F250 2012 two-wheel drive. And I couldn't get it to start. It took me a while. This one had a deer strike, so I thought the radiator was cracked, but it's actually holding. So I need a light, bumper, and a grill, which is about $500 to $600 right there. Gonna put air in my tires, and the hubcaps on there. That's what kind of made me think it was a 4x4 when I saw the pictures, and I bought it. Was out looking at it in person. Here's the inside. 141,000 miles. CD player. Vinyl seats. Small tear, which is surprising because most of these usually are missing a big old chunk here. And there is a leak on the bottom on the exhaust. Some of the paint here is falling off. Gasoline. Cracked bed here. I'll go ahead and get my MIG welder, flux core welder, and fix that up. And looks pretty good. Got a nice pack rat here, probably like a 20 by 48 pack rat. And this could use some bed liner. This is full of oil. I can probably tack that, tack a piece of plate on there. There's a lot of plungers in here. Another one over there. For those not familiar with natural gas wells, these help bring up the liquids in a gas well. So they drop to the bottom and they bring up the fluids. No toolbox there, but I got a decent headache rack. So I'm gonna put some air in here, guys, and see you in a bit.